What's up, chefs, foodies, and students? Welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad that you're here. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the sugary category of aromas. Now, this category includes aromas from sugar-rich compounds or products. Almost all of this category is plant-based and consists of either raw, refined, or cooked sugars that come from plant roots or fibers or saps. The variation between raw, refined, and caramelized sugars lies in the complexity of the compounds. Refined sugars have very little aroma, as the sugars are extremely simple, so glucose or fructose. Raw sugars, like that from sugarcane, are unprocessed and can have aromatic characteristics from their sources. Cooked sugars have entire spectrums of aromas due to the constant recombination of simple sugars into more complex or simple compounds like maltol or isomaltol. The source of the sugar can greatly affect the aroma, like the difference between maple syrup, honey, and agave. Other common descriptors of sugary might be toasty, candy, caramelly, syrupy, or sweet, even though we know that sweet is a taste, not an aroma. Let's have a look at our universal aroma wheel. So as we look at the wheel, we can see that sugary is right up here in between fruity and dairy egg categories. Looking closer, we can see that it's divided into a few sort of descriptive categories, the first one being herbaceous, the next one being refined, then cooked, and then rich. If we look further in, we can see that we have a lot going on with honey that's organized geographically. We then also have a couple of plant-based syrups, followed by tree-based syrups. And going through the sugars, we have a variety of refined sugar. We then also have cooked variations on that. And then we are getting into the dairy and egg category. Today's example, we have some local honey. We're in Denver. This was given to me by one of my students. Thank you, Amelia. We got this really nice blend of herbaceous notes from all of the nectar and pollen that's been collected by these bees. Yeah, good stuff. Even you want some, huh, Snoopy? Something to note is that sugary is probably the least diverse category because it's all just some form of sugar. But sugar is probably one of the most versatile ingredients and can produce a huge variety of different aromas. So that's interesting. That about wraps it up. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about the word sugary and the category of aromas as you are either cooking or eating. And think about, do I like these aromas? Why or why not? What kinds of memories or thoughts come to mind when I smell them? And finally, do you agree with this organization that you've seen on the wheel today? Or anything that we've talked about in this video? Please go ahead and leave answers to those questions down in the comments. I would love to see them, and I love the feedback. Thank you so much. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about the sugary family of food aromas. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, go ahead and subscribe. You'll see all my latest videos. If you would like a hard copy poster or a digital copy of this aroma wheel that I've created, there are links in the description. Thanks so much. Bye.